Now that you have brought over every single person from the design over to the site, what we're going to do now is to adjust the images to align in terms of color tone. To do so, let's go ahead and select one other person. So for example, if you want to see what person you are working on, you can simply click the eyeball, which is the visibility. You can turn that person on and off. So if we focus on this lady in the front, we want to adjust the color tone to match with the background. To do so, select the layer in which you want to change the color from. Go to Image on the drop-down menu, Adjustment, and Levels. This will allow you to change the tonal value, which allow you to change, essentially making it brighter or less bright. So in this case, I want to make it brighter. To make it brighter, I can pull this middle bar to the left side, and notice how it's getting a lot brighter versus if I drag it to the right hand side, she gets a lot darker. So what you want to do is match it up with the tonal value of the background simply by grabbing the middle bar and turning it to the left side, just like that. Notice how her tone now matches with the background. If I do one more, I'll go ahead and hide this person to know which layer who I'm working on. Go to the drop-down menu, Image Adjustment, and go to Levels. Again, I'm gonna grab the center bar and drag it to the left-hand side. And just to adjust it just a little bit to kind of match with the background. I will do that with every single one of the layer to represent all the different people to blend them into the site a lot more accurately.